Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to unbox and review this Be Quiet System Power 8 600 watt power supply. So without further ado, let's just jump ahead and get started. So this is the power supply itself. This is the Be Quiet System Power 8 with a 600 watt of power. So it has a 80 plus watt certification, which is pretty decent, and I think there's some information on the back side of the box which stated some of the connection and also the maximum combined power and the form factor. So that's all from outside the box. Let's get to the interesting part inside the box. So this is my unboxing knife. Let's just crack it open. So once opening the box, you have this power supply wrapped in bubble wrap. Let's just open this part, and yeah, so apart from this, you got this power cable which is plugged into the wall, and also some screw to mount your power supply into your case in case you don't receive one inside the casing box. Another one is a System Power 8 user manual in a lot of languages, and some information about the connection that you can make using this power supply. So let's put the box aside and see the power supply itself. So this is what included inside the box: the power supply itself with this nice wrap cable which feels really premium, and the screw, a cable, and the user manual. So let's take a direct and closer look to this Be Quiet power supply. So there's nothing actually, just a Be Quiet logo all around, and the system power model S8 600 watt. I think that's gonna be it for this video, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe because I'll be doing a PC build this June. Stay tuned, and as always, stay awesome.